Today we're going to describe inequalities. An inequality is a number sentence when the two sides or two numbers don't equal each other. So there's usually three symbols that we use. One is a not equal symbol, which is an equal sign with a slash through it. A greater than sign. And then a less than sign. We're going to give an example of each. So for example, I know that 5 is not equal to 7. I know that 7 is greater than 5. Or I could say 5 is less than 7. So those are the three symbols that we use in an inequality. Some inequalities have variables. A solution of the inequality is a number that makes the statement true. Is there only one solution to an inequality? Why or why not? Well, for example, if we had x is less than 5, I know that 3 is less than 5. I know that 4 is less than 5. I know that 0 is less than 5. So with inequalities, we can have multiple solutions. In some of our examples, what we're going to do is we're going to look at a set of numbers in red, and we're going to tell which of the numbers shown in red are solutions. So the first example is x less than 3. So what I'm going to simply substitute is the different numbers in for x and see if the statements are true. So I'm going to start with 5. Is 5 less than 3? No, that's not true. Is 2 less than 3? Yes, it is, so that's a solution. 1 less than 3? Yes. And 0 is less than 3. So we have three solutions for that one based on the numbers they gave us. Number 2, I'm going to plug in 4, 5, 6, and 7 for y. I'll start with 4. 4 plus 6 is greater than 12. Well, I know 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 is not greater than 12, so that doesn't work. If I try 6, 6 plus 6 is greater than 12. Well, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 is not greater than 12, it's equal to 12, so that doesn't work. If I try 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Is 11 greater than 12? No. One more, 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Is 13 greater than 12? Yes, it is. So that's our solution from that set. Number 3, I want to know b is not equal to 12. Well, I know that 3 doesn't equal 12. I know that 5 doesn't equal 12. 12 does equal 12, so that doesn't work in our solution. And 15 doesn't equal 12. The last one says compare and write a less than, greater than, or not equal sign. So what I'm going to do is simplify the left side first, and I have to use my order of operations or PEMDAS. So I see a multiplication, so I'm going to take care of that first. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then 7 plus 6 is 13. So the left side is 13, if I can fit that in. And then the right side, I'm going to do 6 divided by 2 first. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division comes before addition. So I would have 10 plus 3. And then 10 plus 3 is 13. Well, that's kind of a silly problem because none of those symbols fit. we would have to say equal to. That is inequalities.